Today I made some tacos de pescado, pretty much just beer battered fish. They were so good. Let me show you how I made them. I'm just using a pre-shredded cabbage that comes in the bag. And then to that, I'm gonna add some tomato, some onion, and some cilantro, adding some pepper, some salt, and squeezing in some lime. Gonna mix that. And then I'm just gonna cover this and place it in the refrigerator. Now, for the chipotle sauce, you're going to want to use mayonesa, crema, garlic clove. Chile chipotle, I add 2, and then I'm going to add some pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, some lemon juice. I'm going to blend this well, and I add this to a container and just place it in my fridge. And then for the batter, I'm going to use flour, baking powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And then I'm going to whisk that together, then add in 1 large egg. And I'm going to use half a can of beer. You can use any beer. And then whisk that well until it's well combined. And then you're going to set this aside and let this batter do its work for about 10 minutes. I'm going to season my fish. Is this tilapia cut in strips with just some salt and pepper. Mix that in. And then about after 10 minutes, the batter should be good. I have my oil heated up. Gonna dip my fish strips in the batter and then place it in the hot oil. And these are only gonna need to fry up about 3 minutes per side. Do one side 3 minutes, flip it to the other side, do 3 minutes, remove, and then I'm just gonna place it on my rack so that the oil continues to drain. Once I'm done with all my fish, this is it. And you can use any type of fish that you like. I just happen to have some tilapia on hand. I made some corn tortillas for this recipe. I always make corn tortillas for my tacos, and they taste really delicious when they are homemade. You gotta make homemade corn tortillas for these fish tacos. It's time to assemble these. I like to use 2 tortillas per taco, but you can use 1. Add your fish right on there, and then I'm going to add the topping on there. Then I'm going to drizzle it with my chipotle sauce. This sauce is really delicious on these tacos de pescado. Like, trust me, super delicious. Drizzle on some lime, and that's it. This is how easy it is to make tacos de pescado. You're gonna love these. Super easy and super delicious. Save this recipe